back friends. So today we are going to discuss how we can fix the overflowing text like I am showing you here. So sometimes we do come across situations where we want to fix this kind of scenarios and we try to wrap the text within the same line. So let's say this is a header and I want to fix it. So if I have some boilerplate code here, so if you can see I have an HTML tag and then head, and inside the head I have given title wrap overflowing text with just 3 lines of code and link, and then I am linking the style sheet called styles.css using the link tag. So I am giving rel equal to style sheet and href equal to styles.css. Inside the body I have just an h2 tag which has a class of header and it has a long text that you can see here. This is a very long text that's going to overflow outside of its container. Now we want to somehow wrap this content within its container and also within the same line, because when we are declaring some headers, so we want that our text should be wrapped within the same line, and also we want that it should be wrapped with ellipses. But the problem that we come across is either we try to fix this using the JavaScript, or if we are working on React, then we try to fix it using the React. So in this video I am going to teach you how you can fix this using just 3 lines of code of CSS. So let's look at the example. So in the styles.css I have these some basic styles applied to the header. I have given a background color of blue and color of white, the text color of white, and I have given a padding of 10 pixel and a height of 30 pixel to the header. Now what I want is that this text should wrap within the single line. So I can add some properties. So I'm going to add them. So we can add first text align center if we want to align the text in the center, and then I can add overflow of hidden so that the overflowing text gets hidden, and our text is aligned center and the overflowing text is hidden. Now I have to add a property called text overflow ellipsis so that the overflowing text will be trimmed and the ellipsis will be shown at the end. So if I say okay, so if I save this change, so you can see text overflow ellipsis, nothing works. But after this we added another property called white space no wrap, and if we add this property, then you can see that our overflowing text is automatically trimmed and ellipses are added automatically to the end of the text. So now you can see how cool it is looking. And the other property that we can add is max width. So if we want that our header should be displayed within some certain number of pixels or whatever width we want to give, so we can assign a width as well. So it will be wrapped within that width. If we don't specify the width, then it is going to take the 100% of the area. If we are giving a max width, then it will take only that much of the area. The text will cover only 100%, and then it will be ellipsed, trimmed, and ellipses will be added to the end. So this is how you can fix this problem within just 3 to 4 lines of codes of CSS. So thank you guys for watching the video, and see you guys in the next video.